Hello all, greetings from Buddhika Company. So today we are going to understand how to solve our session problem. So whenever we are using MobexTerm, okay, when we don't type any Linux commands or when we don't execute any Linux commands, after a certain period of time, the MobexTerm is going to log out from our Linux machine. So this is called SSH connection timed out or logged out. So in order to keep our SSH session alive, we have a solution. What is it? So for that, first you need to log into AWS console. I just wanted to show my server and also how to log in into MobexTerm. So I'm just logging as a root user. I have an additional security where I'm supposed to enter my authentication code. In our next video, I'm going to tell you how to enable the MFA code. Okay, I have given the captcha. Okay, it says authentication field. Okay, let me enter the correct password. I have entered a wrong password. That is the reason. Okay, submit. So now I'm logged into my AWS console. Here I'm going to go for EC2 service. In EC2, I might have 5 to 6 instances running. So I'm going to click on this instances. See, I have around 5 servers. Web server, this is one server where I have a code, like see, when I just copy, go here, and I'm just trying to paste. Is it running? Is my instance is running? Yes, it is running. Okay, fine. The code is not able to run. I think NACL has been stopped. Okay, that is not related to our class. I'll show you how to connect to the server. Let me just open the NACL. NACL is nothing but a security layer for my subnet, for my VPC and all. So I just wanted to update my NACL. This is my NACL. Okay, 199 is deny rule. So that is the reason. I'm going to delete this rule. Save changes. Go to outbound rules. I'm going to edit the outbound rules and I'm going to deny. I'm going to remove the deny option for the HTTP. So I should get a response here. Let me just try. Yes, see here. It is running. It is up and running. So my server is up and running. Now I'm going to my EC2. So with server, web server, I wanted to connect. Clicking on the connect. See, I can copy this. This I have copied. Okay, and I am going to paste in the security keys folder. So already in the I'm in the directory. Just type ls. See here I have n number of PEM files. I am going to paste the code here as that SSH command here. See SSH I web server.pem. See there is a web server.pem in my present working directory. This is the public IP. This is the public IP. This is the username. This is the PEM file which I need to give. So already my password file is there. My PEM file is there in my directory. So it will fetch and it will try to log in. Let me just type SSH. So most of you might find difficult for you while you're not working for long time. So if you just not working for 3 to 4 to 5 minutes in your MobexTerm, then your MobexTerm goes off. This connection will be interrupted. The solution for that is just go to tools, uh, just okay, fine. So first you need to select the settings. See, I'm going to select these settings over here. Okay, so I'm going to select the settings. After settings, go to the configuration. In configuration, you have the option called SSH. See, this is the option. So in that option, type, click on the SSH, and you have another option here. Carefully observe SSH keep alive. So I'm telling my MobexTerm to keep my SSH session alive for longer period of time. So when I enable it, see, it is enabled. So if it is enabled, which means your session will not log out even though if you don't work on your MobexTerm for more than 5 to 10 minutes or whatever time. So it will keep your session in alive. Okay, so this is the setting, guys. You need to enable the SSH keep alive. That's it. And then after that, just press OK. So by default, it will not be enabled. Okay, you're supposed to go and enable the SSH key alive. So I'm just typing OK. Yes, fine. So I'm happy. Even though if I don't work here for so long, it will still be in live. So this is how it is. Thank you guys. Next time I'll come up with another video.